Hi everyone, good evening. RANA SIR is here. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is quadratic equation. Here I have to use the concept of application of quadratic equation in the word problem. It means that here question is given in the word form, that is in language form. Only you have to use condition and then you have to prepare a quadratic equation and then you have to get the roots of that quadratic equation. Okay student, so first of all we have to explain the concept and then we will solve the written question. First of all I am going to give you some instruction, that is suggestion point, and you follow it positively. So that suggestion point is that first of all you have to take one notebook and one pen and then you have to sit at your location properly with positively. Okay student, now next information I am going to tell you clearly watch this live video and also you listen clearly what I am saying and what are information are writing on the blackboard and which information you are understanding, so you write on the notebook. Okay student, similarly you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic. And simultaneously you also subscribe this educational channel with your colleagues, friends and student also. Okay student, so now further I am going to explain the concept of written question, that is word problem. It means that question is given in the sentence. You have to read the sentence and you have to take the correct meaning of that sentence and then you have to prepare quadratic equation. After preparing quadratic equation, then you have to get the roots of that quadratic equation and then according to information you have to obtain the required number in 2 digits. Okay students, so further I am going to explain it in detail. So this is the class 10th mathematics, which is based on in English medium and it is also based on NCERT pattern and it belongs in CBSE board. Okay student, so if any student who are available, who are reading in Hindi medium, so that student can also solve questions which are based on quadratic equation, because theory are same. So you have to concentrate here and you have to use same concept in your UP board question, that is 10th class, which is available in Hindi medium. So those students can also solve such question. Those are written in Hindi medium, so only this sentence is given in English, but in Hindi medium this sentence is given in Hindi. So procedure will be same and you have to learn their procedure and you have to solve those questions also. Okay student, so this is the chapter number 4 and I'm making here underline. So this is the chapter number 4 whose name is quadratic equation. So in this case, before explaining this question I am going to explain about yesterday information, because yesterday there was no light here, so I was not live. Okay students, so yesterday class today I am going to start. Okay students, so always I will be live on 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. up to 15 past to 8 p.m. Okay students, so you concentrate on here. Now question number 1, here it is a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 12. So product of both digit is 12. When 36 is added, to the number. 36 is added to the number. The digit interchange their place. So find 2-digit number. In this case only condition is given and you have to use condition and you have to make equation. After making equation and you have to solve. After solving you will get the quadratic equation, and after calculating, after using the concept of quadratic equation, and then you will find the roots, that is zeros of that quadratic equation, and then corresponding those value you will put the value at the place where number you have assumed, so you will get the required number of the given question. So here first of all I will say here, first of all I will write here solution. What is the meaning of solution? I have to write here. Solution means here I have to write here how. This solution is given, so here I have to write. So given information, given that I will say given. First of all I will say let 2-digit number be 2-digit number B x 10x plus y. I have assumed this. Okay student, because I am going to explain how I am considering any 2-digit number is written in this form, 10x plus y. Any 2-digit number can be written in this form. Now I am going to explain how we can write that, because for example I am taking one example, that is 25. 25 I can write here 20 plus 5. If student here anyone will have no any issue, so 25 I can write 20 plus 5. Now further I am going to write 10 into 2 plus 5 I can write, because 10 into 2 that will be 20 and plus 5. It means that 25 I can write like this. Okay student, so in the place of 10 I am writing 10, and in the place of 2 I am going to write here x, and in the place of 5 I am writing y. So any number you can write in the form of 10x plus y. Other number I am also going to give example. Suppose that you are writing here 37. Here you are going to write 37. So 37 you can write like this. 30 plus 7. You can write easily 30 plus 7. So in the place of 30 you can write 10 into 3 plus 7, because this 30 can be written as 10 into 3. If I will multiply 10 into 3, that will be 30, and 30 plus 7, that will be 37. So in the place of 10 I am writing 10, but in the place of 3 I am writing y, and in the place of 7 I am writing here y. So any 2-digit number I can write in the form of 10x plus y. Therefore I have written here a number, that number is consisting with 2 digits. 2 digits, 1 digit is x and other digit is y. So and x is multiplied with 10 and plus y is added. So after adding I can get 2-digit number. So 10x plus y, where x is 7 and y is 7. X is 3 and y is 7. But here x is 2 and y is 5. Okay student, so we have to get the value of x and y. When after calculating the information which are given on the blackboard, that is in the question, after solving I will get the value of x and y, and those value I will substitute here. After substituting I will get the required number. That required number is asking in the question. So find the 2-digit number. So 2-digit numbers I can get easily. Okay students, so that 2-digit number can be written as 10x plus y. Okay student, so this is the required way how we can arrange 10x plus y. So any 2-digit number you can arrange. Now I am going to take another 2-digit number, and I am also going to explain. Suppose that any student is saying you take 2-digit number 86. So 86 is written as 80 plus 6. Now further I am going to write 10 into 8. 10 into 8 plus 6, because 80 can be written as 10 into 8. So 10 into 8, that will be 80 plus 6. When I will add 80 plus 6, it will be 86. Now here I am going to write x in the place of 8. I am going to write here x plus y. In the place of y, I have to write here 6. So any two-digit number that can be written as 10x plus y. Okay, student, it is clear. If you have to assume two-digit number, so you have to remember it. Okay, student, if anyone will say how you are getting it, so this is the process you have to arrange. Okay, student. So now further I am going to erase. After erasing, I will solve this question. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase this one. Now here a two-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 12. Means one digit here, one digit is x and other digit is y. According to question, here I will write according to question. ACCORDING. According to question. According to question, I have to write two product of two digits. One digit is x and other digit is y. The product of two digits is given 12. So I will say this is the equation number 1 as per the given information which are available in the question. So here it is product of digits is 12. So I have taken one digit is x and other digit is y. So I have taken the product of two digits which is equal to 12. I have assumed that equation is number 1. Now other information is also given. We have to read. After reading, I will write correct information. So when 30 is added to number, this is the number because I have assumed here two digit number. So in two digit number 30 is we have to add. It means that 10x plus y. In this number I have to add here 36. That is given in the question. That will be equal to the digit interchange their place. Now in the number I am going to write. Now digit is going to interchange. In other words, we can say that in the place of x I have to write y, and in the place of y I have to write x. It means that y 10x plus 10y plus x, which is equal to 10y plus x. So in the given number I have to add 36, and that will be equal to number. That will be equal to number, but digit is an interchange. Means in the place of x I have to write y, and in the place of y I have to write x. Okay, student. Now these two equations I will solve. After solving, I will get the value of x and y. When we will get the value of x and y, then we have to substitute the given two-digit number that is available here in general form. I will put here the value of x and also the value of y. After putting, and I will simplify, I will get two-digit number. Okay, student. So further I am going to solve this. So all information of equation number 2 I will put in left hand side. So here I will write 10x plus y plus 36 minus 10y minus x. Because this 10y has plus sign, it will come in my left hand side, so its sign will change. So I will put here minus, because on the right hand side it has plus sign. The same condition I will also use here, and on the right hand side I will put 0. Okay, student. So I am further going to simplify it. Now here 10x is available and here minus 1 is available. So I will put here minus and plus 9y, and here 10y minus and plus y. Here will be also minus 9y. Now here I have to put here 36, and which is equal to 0. Okay, student. Further I will divide. I will say this is the equation number 3. This is the equation number 3, and I will write one statement dividing on both sides with 9. and then we get. Okay, student, one information I have to write now. This information I am going to save here. 10x plus y, because I have to get the value of this two-digit number, because here we have to get the value of y from these two equations and also the value of x from these two equations, and then we will put in this assumption two-digit number. So after putting the value of x and y, then we will get the two-digit number. That will be the answer of my final question. Further, I am going to solve these two equations for getting the value of x and y. Okay, students. So further above information I am going to read, because here there is no space for doing calculation. So we have to erase this one. Now here I will write minus 9 plus 9x minus 9y plus 36, which is equal to 0. Already here I have assumed its name is equation number 3. Now further I am going to eliminate data, because one equation I have also assumed that x into y, which is equal to 12, that is given in the question. I have assumed this is the equation number 1. Okay, student, further here I will write one statement dividing on both sides with 9. Here I will type dividing with 9 on both sides of equation. Here I have to write of equation number 3 we get. Okay, student, so here information dividing with 9 on both sides of equation number 3, we have to divide with 9 and then we get it. It means that we can write like this: 9x minus 9y plus 36 divided by 9, which is equal to 0 divided by 9, because I have written here on both sides. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. I have to divide with 9. So individually I will divide. So I can write 9x divided by 9 minus 9y divided by 9 plus 36 divided by 9 is equal to, if it is in 0, with any number I will divide, that will become 0. So here I will put 0. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase above data for further calculation. So after dividing I will write here 9 will cut with 9. This one will also be 9 1 the 9 for the 36. So here I will write x minus y plus 4, which is equal to 0. So I will say this is the equation number 4. According to priority, I am putting its name. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Priority is important. Okay, student. So further I have to solve equation number 1 and also equation number 2 for getting the value of x and y. Now from equation number 1 I can write y is equal to 12 divided by x. Okay, student. From equation 1 I can write the value of y, which is equal to 12 divided by x, because x is multiplied with y. So we have to calculate the value of y, which is equal to 12 divided by x. We can write easily. Okay, student. Now further I will write here statement putting the value of y in equation 1. In equation 4 we get. Here I will write putting the value of y in equation 4 we get. In equation 4 we get. Now I have to put here in the place of y. Now here x is written, I have to write x. Here minus is available, I have to write here minus. In the place of y, I have to write 12 divided by x plus 4 which is equal to 0. Now further I will simplify it. So x is multiplied with this one. So x square minus 12 plus 4x divided by x which is equal to 0. I will do cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, I can write this number with this expression is multiplied with 1. So I will write x square plus 4x minus 12 into, here I have to write 1 which is equal to 0 into x. Okay student, if any number which is multiplied with 0, that will become 0. Okay student, so further I can write x square plus 4x minus 12 which is equal to 0. This will be the equation number 5. Now this is the quadratic equation and this is the particular quadratic equation. I have to get the value of x. So here the value of x I will get 2. Value of x will be 2. So after simplification I will decide which value we have to consider. Okay students, now further I am going to erase above information. After erasing above information we have to calculate this value. So further I am going to erase above data. Now here I have to write x square plus 4x minus 12 which is equal to 0. Now here we have to do its factor. After getting its factor, I will say the roots of the quadratic equation will be real or imaginary or equal. That will define on the required information. So here I have to put this one. So here I have to calculate a into c, the magnitude of a into c. But in the place of x square, that is the coefficient of x square is 1 and the c is the constant term, that is minus 12. So after multiplication I will say in the modulus sign I am writing here minus 12 and the concept of modulus is that modulus will put plus sign here. So that will be 12. Now further I have to divide 12 into two parts. After multiplication 12 I will get 12 and after subtraction I will get the coefficient of x. Here I will get the coefficient of x. So here I will write 6 into 2. So it will be 12. 6 into 2 is 12. So we have to get 12. But if I will subtract 6 minus 2, that will be 4. So here coefficient of x is available. It means that this factorization is okay. We have to keep here. Now further I have to write here x square. In the place of 4 I have to write 6 minus 2 into x minus 12 which is equal to 0. Further I am going to simplify it. Here I have to write x square. Now x is multiplied with 6 and x is also multiplied with 2. After multiplication we have to write 6x minus 2x minus 12 which is equal to 0. If students are understanding very clear, so student has to like this live video and also student has to subscribe this educational channel, and also you have to share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also improve and develop their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is word problem related to quadratic equation. It means that information is given in language, English language, and you have to read this English language and after reading and you have to make the appropriate equation. and after making appropriate equation, and you have to solve, and after solving you will get quadratic equation, and you have to solve that quadratic equation by factorization method. And if you will get the value of x, then in the equation number 1 you have to put the value of x. After putting the value of x, you have to get the value of y, and the value of x and y you have to put in the above assumption, so you will get 2-digit number which is asked in the question. Okay student, this is the right procedure and you have to follow it. Okay student, now further I am going to resolve this. So here I have to write x square. Now here I will take these two terms at a time and these two terms at a time. So here I will write x square plus 6x. Now here I am writing 2x minus 12. I can write 6 into 2 because I will multiply 6 into 2, that will be 12. So I can arrange like this. And here a into c I have written. Now here you have to write here x square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0, and we have to put here condition a cannot be 0. So this is the general particular quadratic equation, and you have to compare the coefficient of x square. Here is a and here is coefficient of x square is 1. So you have taken here 1, and here constant term is c, and you have to put the value of c, and in this equation is minus 12, so we have to multiply with minus 12. After multiplication I have got in the modular sign, that is minus 12, and its property is to make plus sign. So 12 is divided into 2 factor because here x has 2 value. So after multiplication I will get same number, but after subtraction I will get the coefficient of the x. So that is 4, so I will use as 6 minus 2, that will be 4. So assumption is okay, and this is trial method is okay. So we have to use here, after using here I have to factorize this. Okay, further I am going to solve required question for getting the value of x. So here I will write here one term I am going to write same thing, because after writing I will take its value. So minus 2x minus 6 into 2 which is equal to 0. I have written same information here. So below data I am going to erase for further comparison. Now this term, these two terms I will take at a time, and these two terms I will take at a time. Now further I am going to say in these two terms I will take common x. So here will be x and plus here will be 6. And then here I am going to take minus 2 common, so here will be plus x and here will be plus 6 which is equal to 0. Again I am seeing x plus 6 and x plus 6 is also common. Again I have to take x plus 6, and in the bracket I have to write x minus 2 which is equal to 0. Okay student, if you are getting any confusion, so you comment and I will see your comment and positively I will reply. Now the product of these two terms is coming to 0. It means that this term can be 0 or this term can be 0. In other words, we can write this value can be 0 or this value can be 0. So one by one these two conditions I will solve. After solving I will take the value of x. Okay student, so here further I am going to resolve this one. So here above data I am going to remove. Now here I am considering two conditions. Condition number 1, if x plus 6 is equal to 0, so I will write x is equal to minus 6, because this 6 sign has plus and it will go in right hand side, this sign will change. So I will write here minus 6. And in second condition I will write here if x minus 2 which is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. So here I am getting the value of 2. Now here in the question given a 2-digit number is such that the product of digit is 12. So if I will multiply it, if here I am going to take value of x is minus 6, and here I will put, so I will take value of y will be minus 2. So 6 into 2, 12, that will be minus 12. So this term I will not consider because minus is coming. Okay student, so this term I will eliminate. So answer value of x will be 2. So the value of x I will put in equation 1. Then we will get the value of y. So here I will put one statement, putting the value of x in equation 1 we get. So this information I will use, putting the value of x, because this value I will not take because the value of y will be minus 2, so product of x and y will be minus 12, so that will not given in the question. So I will eliminate, I will reject x is equal to minus 6, so I will only consider x is equal to 2. So value of x I will put in equation number 1. So equation number 1 I will write here x into y which is equal to 12. Now value of x is 2 into y which is equal to 12. So I will write here 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. So after simplifying, I will get the value of y which is equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 2 6 is 12. So value of y will be 6. The value of y will be here 6. So here value of y will be 6. Now the value of x and value of y I will put in the given assumption, and then I will get the 2-digit number. Now further I am going to put the value of above data. I am going to erase. After erasing, I will substitute the value of x and y in the given assumption. Okay student, so further I am going to erase, and after erasing I will write one statement here. Now value of x is 2 and value of y is 6. Now here I have to write this statement again putting the value of x and y in assumption ten x plus y. In assumption 10x plus y. Now further I have to write 10x plus y. The value of x is 2. So 10 into 2, and the value of y is 6. So here I have to write 6. 10 into 2, that will be 20, and plus 6. So it will be 26. So this is the final answer of my question. According to this way, any question can be solved easily. Okay student, so if any words problem is given, so you have to use, you first of all you have to read properly. After reading properly, and you have to write all information in the mathematical form, and after writing all information in mathematical form, and then you have to make proper equation, and after solving proper equation, then you will get quadratic equation, because we are reading quadratic chapter number 4, that is related to quadratic equation. We will use the application of quadratic equation, and then we will get the value of x and y. Here I have got the value of x and y. The value of x is 2 and value of y is 6, and these two values are satisfying. These two values are satisfying the given condition x into y which is equal to 12. It is satisfying. So value of x and value of y I will put in the assumption, and in the static period I have assumed 10x plus y. Any number, any two digit number can be written in the form of 10x plus y. So in the place of x I have put here the value of x, that is 2, and the value of y, that is 6. After putting, I have calculated its value will be 26. So this is the final answer of the given question. So according to this way, any question which are given in word form, so that question can be easily solved. Okay student, if you have any doubt, yeah, if you have any issue, so you ask with comment, ask in your comment section, and I will see comment section, and then I will reply that information positively. Okay student, and started chapter, yeah, question I have already solved, and I have already uploaded in the video section. Okay, you go there and you read, and that question I have already, those questions I have already solved in Hindi medium. Okay student, so in video section, if you look, each and every chapters are defined there in Hindi medium. Hindi medium, that is concept, and also numerical solution already there are presented in Hindi medium. Okay, but in live section you will get each and every concept in English medium, and also solution of any question in English medium. Okay student, so if you will continuously listen, so after listening you will understand each and every sentence in detail. Okay student, so this is very easy way to calculate in Hindi language. This information is written in Hindi language, so you have to also follow this procedure, and after following this procedure you will get the required value, 2-digit value. Okay student, so 26 can be written in the form of 10x plus y, and the value of x I have also calculated according to information. X value of x is 2, and the value of y is also here written 6, that is obtained from the given question. Okay student, now further I have to also solve another question which is also based on quadratic equation. In other words, we can say that this is the application of quadratic equation. Okay student, now next question I am going to take from the textbook, and after taking from the textbook I will also solve it. Okay student, so in the concept which is written in the NCERT pattern in NCERT book, but that concept I am using in other textbook. Okay student, so further I am going to erase, and after erasing I will write another question, and then I will also solve that question in same way. That is also given in word form. Now here question is given. Johan and Javed. Question number 2. This is the question number 2. One is the Johan. One is the Johan and Javed. There are two students. One name है Johan and other name है Javed. Together have 45 marbles. Together have 25 marbles. 45 marbles. 45 marbles. Both each them. Here I have write both. Both are them plus 5 marbles. Both of them plus 5 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each and the each and the each and the product of the number product of the number product of the number product of the number of marble of marble of marble. They now have they now have they now have each one 24 each one 24 each now have each 24 124. Find out how many find out how many marbles they had marbles they had how many marbles they had how many marbles they had to start with okay students, this is the question written in the word, and we have to learn this sentence clearly, and after reading this sentence clearly, and we will write the appropriate equation, and after writing appropriate equation and I will solve, and after solving we will find the marbles Johan had and also the Javed had. One is Johan and other is Javed. So after reading and I will simplify, after simplify we will get the value of both. The value of Javed, how many marbles Javed had and how many marbles Johan had and how many marbles Javed had. Both value I have to calculate. Now further I have to write here solution. Now here in this question quadratic equation will present. So I will use concept of quadratic equation, that is application of quadratic equation. Now here I am going to read clearly. Johan and Javed together had 45 marbles. It means that we will take some summation of x and we will take the summation of the information of Johan and also Javed. So both summation will be 45 marbles. Okay. Now both of them last 5 marbles. It means that Johan also has last 5 marbles and also Javed has last 5 marbles each, and the product of the numbers of the marbles with the marbles, they now have each one 24. It means that after subtracting 5 marbles in Johan and also Javed, and we will take the multiplication of both, and that will be equal to 124. So find out how many marbles they had to start with, means how many marbles both will have to start the work. Okay student, so first of all here I will write information. Johan has X marble, and Javed has Y marbles. According to question, I have to write here. According to question, I have to write here x plus y, which is given here 45 marbles. So here I will write 45. I will say this is the equation number 1. So summation of both student marble, that is x plus y, which is equal to 45. Okay student, now further both of them last 5 marbles, it means that x is also Johan is also losing 5 marbles, and Javed is also losing 5 marbles in y. So after multiplication of both, I will get 124 marbles. Okay student, so according to question I can write the x minus 5. X is the number of marbles which is obtained by Johan, and into y is the number of marbles which is obtained by Javed. So both had lost 5 marbles each. So I will subtract x minus 5 into also y minus 5. So its product will be 124, and it is given in the question. Okay student, so according to information I have written here two equation. So with the help of equation number 1 and also equation number 2, and we will solve, and then after solving we will get the value of x and y, and that will be the that value will be the Johan has this marble, and also Javed had also that marble. Okay student, so I have prepared two equations, and we will solve both equations. I will make a quadratic equation, and with the help of quadratic method, and I will quadratic method or quadratic concept I will solve. After solving I will get the value of x and y, and that will be the answer of my question. Okay student, so you concentrate on this live video and you look how I am going to solve this. Okay student, now here I have to get only the value of x and y. So here I will write one statement. That statement will be such that putting the value of y from equation 1 to equation 2. Here I will write putting the value of y from equation number 1, putting the value of y from equation 1 in equation 2 we get. So this statement is very important, and you have to follow it. Putting the value of y, I will take the value of y from here. From this equation I can write the value of y, which is equal to 45 minus x. From equation 1 I can write the value of y, which is equal to 45 minus x. Okay student, so this value I will put in equation 2, and equation 2 is available here. Okay student, so this information now further I am going to write equation number 2 here, and after writing here, and we will put the value of y from here. Okay student, so it is very clear. If you have any confusion, so you ask, and in comment and then I will see your comment. After looking your comment, I will reply that solution of that comment positively. Now further I am going to write this information which is written below. So x minus 5 into here y minus 5 which is equal to 124 that is given, and I have told here this is the equation number 2. Now the value of y I will put here because value of y is available here 45 minus x. So here I will put. After putting, I have to write x minus 5 into here I will put the value of x, that is 45 minus x, and minus 5 is available here. So I will write here 124. So further I will simplify it. Below information I will simplify. So here I have to write imply that x minus 5, and here I will write 45. I will subtract 5 from 45, that will give 40 minus x which is equal to 124. Now further here I will multiply this term with this term, this term with this term, and also this term with this term, and this term with this term. After multiplication I will write here. So x is multiplied with 40, so 40x, and this x is multiplied with x, so this here is plus and here minus, so here will be minus x square, and I will multiply 5 into 40. Here I will write 5 into 40, and a minus and minus, I will put here plus 5 into x, that will be 5x, and here 124 is available, so I will put there 124. Okay student, further I am going to erase this one, and after erasing I will simplify below data. So here I have to put imply that is writing like this. Here first of all I will write minus ax square, this term I am going to write, and here plus 40 is available, so I will write here plus 40, and here plus 5 is available, so I will put plus 5, and here minus is available, 5 4 20, so here I will write 200 is equal to here 124. Okay student, so minus x square plus 40 plus 5. Okay, so again this 124 is available, I will put in left hand side, so I will write here minus x. Here I have to write minus x, so I will put minus x square, and this will be 40 plus 5, that will be 45 x minus 200, and here this will come this side, so it will be minus 124 which is equal to 0. Okay student, again I will simplify it. Minus x square plus 45 x, and this will be, I will add 4 2 and 2 3 which is equal to 0. Okay student, further I will simplify it. This will be x square, and then I will write here 45x, and this will be plus, this will be minus, and this will be plus, so 324 which is equal to 0. So this is a particular quadratic equation, and I will get the two value of x, and I will decide which value will be equal. Okay student, so above data I am going to erase for further calculation. So here I will write one condition a into c which is equal to, I will put the coefficient of x square, that is 1, so I will put here 1, and the coefficient of c is 324, so it is available, so I will say 324, and after model sign I will write 324. Okay student, so further here plus sign is available, so I will make its two factor, and after summation that will be 45. After that will be 45. So we have to use in two parts. So multiplication will be same. So multiplication will be like this. So if multiplication is not coming, so I will take each division. So 3 to 4, I will divide with 2. That will be 1. This will be 6. This will be 2. Again I will divide with 2. So this will be 1. So this will be 3. So again 3. So again 3. So again 3. So I will take one will be 12, other will be 27. So its multiplication will be 45. So 7. So I will take so 2 to the 4. So other will be 6 and 9, 26 and 9. So its multiplication I have arranged. One factor is 36 and other is 9. So one will be 36 and other will be 9. So 36 I will multiply with, I will get 9 6 are 54. That will be okay. So 36 I will add in 36. I will add 9 in 36. That will be 45. That will be coefficient of x. So here I can write one will be minus 36 and other will be also minus 9. So minus it will be plus, and multiplication and summation will be the coefficient of x. Okay student, so further I have to write here in this equation. One will be x square, in the place of 45 I will write 36, and plus here plus sign is available, so I will write here plus 9 into x plus 324, which is equal to 0. Okay student, so further I am going to simplify this one. So after simplify I will write x square minus 36x, and here minus sign is also available, so minus 9x minus plus 324, which is equal to 0. So these two terms I will take at a time, and these two terms I will also take at a time. So now further I am going to write x square minus 36x minus 9 into x, plus here I will write 36 into 9 I can write here. Okay student, so further table data I am going to erase, because there is no it's need now. So further I am going to erase table data. After erasing table data I will simplify below data. So here I will write x square minus 36 x, here 9 x is available, plus here in the place of 36 into 9, which is equal to 0. Now in this both term I will take common, in both term I will also take common. So here I will say x is common. Now here I will write x minus 36, and here I am going to arrange. Here I am going to write x into this one, plus here I will write minus 36 into minus 9, which is equal to 0, because multiplication of minus and minus it will become plus. Okay students, so further I am going to take this also from now. Table data I am writing here same, x minus 36 minus, here I will take minus 9 common. So I will take minus 9 common, so here will be plus, and here will be plus in the bracket minus 36 and here I will use curly bracket. Okay student, which is equal to 0. Now further I will put plus multiplication of plus and minus, it will become minus. Okay student, so further I am going to write this data above. So here I have to write x in the bracket, x minus 36 minus here 9 is available, so I will write here 9 in the bracket. I have to write here x, and this plus and minus it will become minus, and 33 is available, so I will write here 36 which is equal to 0. Okay student, further I am also going to resolve this. So student, you clearly see the written data x minus 33 and x minus 33 are available in both terms. I will take here common. So now further I am going to take x minus 36 common, and in the bracket, in other bracket I will write here x, and here is available 9, so here I will put minus 9 which is equal to 0. Okay student, now the product of this term and this term, the product of this and this term is going to 0. It means that this term can be 0 or this term can be 0. So I can write like this. So this term can be 0 or this term can be 0. So I will solve in two cases. So I am going to write here case number 1. If x minus 36 which is equal to 0, so I will write x is equal to 36. Okay students, so this value I have to assume for Java. Now other condition I will say, condition number 2, if x minus 9 which is equal to 0, so I will take value of 9 which is equal to value of x is equal to 9. It means that if I will write the value of x is equal to 36, so corresponding this I will get another value of y, because value of x plus y that is given, x plus y that is given 45 in the question. Question is the value of x plus y, the value of x that is the value of x means Johan, and the value of y means Java. Sum of both student will be 45. If I will take the value of x 36, so I will put here 36, corresponding 36 I will get the value of y, and if I will put the value of x 9, so corresponding 9 I will get another value of y. So there is two conditions, in both conditions I will get the value of y. So one by one I will explain in detail. Okay student, now here I am going to write according to question x plus y which is equal to 45 that is given in the question, and I have already written the equation number 1. Now first case I have to take here, if x is equal to 36, then here I will put the value of x 36 plus y which is equal to 45. Then I will write y is equal to 45 minus 36. So I will say 15. So it will be 9. So it will be 9. So one set I will say x is equal to 36. Then value of y will be 9. This is one answer. Okay student, if this is one answer. If here I will say if x is equal to 9, then I will say x plus y which is equal to 45 that is given in the question. Here I will put the value of x 9, so here I will get the value of y. Y is equal to 45 minus 9, that is equal to 36, that is equal to 36. So in other words we can say that x is equal to 9, so I will get the value of y is equal to 36. So this is the second answer of this question. Okay student, so according to this way question has been solved. Okay student, so first of all you have to concentrate on language question या word problem. First of all you have to read word problem clearly according to the given information in the question, and you have to make equation. After making equation you have to simplify, and then after simplification you will get the quadratic equation. With the concept of quadratic equation you will get the root of that quadratic equation. After getting the root of that quadratic equation and an unknown parameter, another parameter you can also obtain, because the sum of two marbles value has given 45. So value of x is available, so you will get the value of y corresponding this value, and also corresponding this value you will get the value of y. So in both cases you have to get the value of y. Already I have assumed x is the marble number which is obtained by Johan, and y is also the number of marbles which is obtained by the Javed. Okay student, so according to this way solution can be solved easily. Okay student, if you are understanding any point, so you like this live video, and also you share this educational channel, subscribe this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues and students, so that they can improve their knowledge on this topic, that is the language and numericals information. And you have to apply the concept of quadratic equation, and then you have to solve. After solving and you will get its answer. So always on the same time, that is 10 past 2, 7 o'clock to 15 minutes past 2, 8 o'clock I will be always live. Okay, yesterday there was live problem, so I have prepared solution of quadratic equation, and already those solutions are I have solved in Hindi medium, and already I have uploaded yesterday. So you go in the video section and you see there clearly, because there I have already explained about the Hindi, about the concept in Hindi medium, and also I have given solution in Hindi medium. So you can also learn from there. In video section you will get the solution, and also solution of the question, and also theory of the question, like real number, polynomial, and linear equation into a pair of linear equation in two variables, that is pair of linear equation in two variables, and also quadratic equation I have already solved. And in video section you go and you learn easily. Okay student, so this is the free online coaching classes, and you attend from 10 past to 7 p.m. to 15 past to 8 p.m. daily. Okay student, so this time will be always for you, and this is totally free online coaching classes, and you concentrate on this video and you learn clearly, because after learning your mathematics will be strong. Each and every question of any book you can easily solve. Okay student, because I have solved many authors books, and I have several information, that is several concepts, so those concepts I am sharing with you positively. Okay student, thank you for watching, listening, and writing those information on your textbook for further revision. Okay student, thank you for concentrating on this video. Okay student, tomorrow on the same time I will visit with you. Thank you.